Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to review the Epson WorkForce WF-7720 printer on Amazon. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. If you want to know more information and price about this Epson WorkForce printer, please check the link in the description and comment box. So let's get started with today's video. WorkForce WF-7720 is a product from the Epson brand. The company produces the printer only in a black version. It thus limits your choice, but the color is attractive as it is not affected by dirt or satins. It can blend well with your home and workspace. The monochrome printing speed of the WF-7720 printer is rated at 18 pages per minute, while the printing speed of color pages is rated at 10 pages per minute. It has an average speed on par with comparable printers now available on the market. In addition, I determined the speed rates by testing the printer's speed. I put the printer through its paces by printing 10 pages of black and white paper and colorful PowerPoint presentations. I could record a print speed of 14 pages per minute for the black and white documents but only 8 pages per minute for the color PowerPoints. I recorded rates far slower than the printer's advertised or claimed speeds. Epson printers are well known for their quality output, and WF-7720 is no exception. The printer uses precision core technology which ensures advanced print quality. The simpler reason is that precision core print heads use tiny ink droplets to produce more detailed pictures. To evaluate the print quality of the Epson WF-7720, I printed texts using a variety of fonts and sizes on a wide range of paper sizes using a wide variety of paper sizes. The reproduction of the text was done well. The borders of the text were quite crisp. For testing photo printing, I printed photographs on both photo paper in various sizes and regular paper. The sharpness of the printer was on full display when I tested out a few high-resolution images and blew them out to 13 inches by 19 inches. The results were stunning. The color prints were a very accurate representation of the tonality and hue of the originals. I experimented with printing on plain paper in 11x17 and 8.5x11 dimensions. It was to be anticipated that the picture would have a reduced quality when printed on ordinary paper, yet the color matching and detail were still quite high. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get an updated video. Hit the like button and leave a comment below. Let me know, what do you like to see in the next video?